Hey folks, you have many Facebook accounts and you want to manage them more simply and completely automatically. I will show you a tool that helps with this. This tool helps me manage around 100 Facebook accounts. There will be accounts that get locked and the software tool will automatically help us unlock these accounts. When using multiple accounts, it's advisable to add a proxy address to this account. You can set the number of Facebook accounts that operate on one IP address to ensure these accounts work more safely. I will introduce you to this software tool. This software tool allows me to use all the features of the Facebook platform that are included here. Whatever you can do on the Facebook platform, this software tool helps you do it automatically. For example, I want my Facebook accounts to interact, and now I will select the exact action I just created for these accounts to follow that script. Now I will pick a Facebook account. Now I'll press start to let the accounts work, and you can see it on my screen. As you see, I'm asking to open many Facebook accounts. In this setup, each Facebook account will log in on its own Chrome tab, functioning on distinct IP addresses since I have incorporated proxies. Each account works like a real user, and it will change actions by itself to enable my Facebook account to work freely. You may face some issues because using multiple accounts can lead to some Facebook accounts getting locked. In the case of account locking, we will create a script later to unlock the accounts. As for accounts that are not allowed to operate, they will automatically stop, disabling those accounts to switch to the next ones. As you see, my first accounts have started reading notifications. I'm setting up the script, right? The accounts will run automatically as you said. They will log in automatically, one after another, into the account. This is a separate part. Then, the accounts will start commenting. You are watching this here. Many actions, right? The accounts will watch this video. Do it in order, like this. Imagine you have 100 accounts and want 6 to work at the same time. Once accounts 1 through 6 have completed their tasks, accounts 7 through 12 will start working until all requested accounts are finished. You see it, right? This tool will greatly assist you in saving time and effort in managing your Facebook accounts here. Please note that all features of the Facebook platform are included in this software. When you buy, I will help you use it. Thanks everyone. If you like this software, please get in touch and I will support you.